What's the meaning of bacillus? Bacillus. Bacillus.
Bacillus. Bacillus. Bacillus is a term used to refer to a type of bacteria that commonly appears as rod-shaped microorganisms under a microscope. These bacteria are found in a variety of environments, including soil, water, and the gastrointestinal tracts of animals, including humans. Some species of bacilli are known for their ability to cause disease, while others are essential for human and animal health. Bacillus spores are highly resistant to heat, radiation, and chemicals, making them difficult to eradicate. The study of this group of bacteria is important for understanding their role in ecology, health, and biotechnology. Overall, bacillus is a diverse and significant group of microorganisms in the microbial world.